Where is Jeffrey? You asked me if I'm ready, and I'm standing here at the door waiting for you.
Let's do it. We're headed to the Corvette Museum.
Where at?
In Bowling Green, Kentucky.
We be in Kentucky.
Let's do it. The Garmin Navigator.
The Garmin Navigator. It has been raining like mad here. We got here yesterday, and it's been raining, so we're gonna do something inside right now. What, baby?
No need to get drenched here.
So we're here at the Corvette Museum, but it's decided to like rain super hard and the wind's blowing. I guess we could make a run for it.
Oh, wait a minute. It's already subsiding.
It's not subsiding.
It's slowing down now. Let's go.
I think we can make a run for it.
Yeah, it's calmed down pretty good now. Let's go.
Let's do it. Let's make a run for it.
Yeah.
Here we go. I made a run for it. I only got a little wet. The camera's a little wet. That's okay. It's all good. It's still 80 degrees out or whatever it's supposed to be today. 75 degrees. So it's pretty nice. Oh, look at this. What are these guys doing, babe?
They're picking up their new car here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like they got somebody in the passenger seat showing how the nav and all the controls work.
How exciting. We get to see them picking up their new car.
Yeah.
So I think all of these cars right here lined up are people waiting for them to come pick up their new cars.
Yeah. Pretty cool.
I'm gonna pretend like one of these is mine. What'd you think, baby?
1967. This yellow one right here.
Sunfire yellow.
With a 427 big block.
That's his car right there.
Well, if I had to choose a car, it wouldn't be that one. It'd be this one over here. It's a race car. Alright, we're in the Sky Dome at the Corvette Museum. 2014, basically we're standing on the edge of what was the sinkhole, about 30 foot in diameter and 30 foot deep. And behind us is the remains of the cars that fell into the sinkhole.
It's so sad. But can you imagine coming to work? Because it happened at 5:30 in the morning.
Yeah.
Coming to work and seeing a big old hole with expensive Corvettes in it. Oh my gosh. That is...
I'm sure it's all
wild.
Insured. But you can't replace them.
Replace
It
those cars.
was the 1/1,000,000th off the Corvette line.
Mm-hmm.
Destroyed.
Destroyed. The white one behind us.
And the
1.5 millionth car gone. And then two of them, well, all but two of them were owned by the museum. Two of them were on loan from General Motors. Ain't getting those cars back. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Oh well.
Look at this car.
All right, here's the aftermath. Still got the dirt on it. She'd be totaled.
Wow.
Oh no. Looks like it was in red clay.
Yeah.
No.
It doesn't even look like a Corvette. That's the 1 millionth over there, I think. I'm not sure because I can't tell.
All right, I even have a little exhibit of the sinkhole. This is what's left over of the sinkhole, 30 foot down right here.
What do you think about the old Corvette Museum?
Corvette Museum's very cool.
Yeah, there was a couple of them that I wanted to take home. They were pretty.
Yeah. So
They were
really
pretty,
cool, educational from start to finish. Just you know how the Corvette began and how it came to be. And,
1953.
And
was
then
the first
also
Corvette.
there's people in there picking up their brand new Corvettes
That was so
today.
cool. We just walked in and they were picking up their brand new Corvette.
Yeah.
That was
That was cool.
wild that they just
Definitely.
do it right there. So yeah.
Mhm. We're going for a bike ride today, and we are at the Diamond Caverns Thousand Trails RV Park in Kentucky.
Park City, Kentucky.
And we are going on a bike ride on an old railroad today up into the national park. We're basically right on the national park here.
We're
so
9 miles away from the national park. The bike trail is 9 miles.
the
So-
bike trail is 9 miles,
Yeah.
but we are like sitting on the national park.
Yes. So, and the national park is Mammoth Cave National Park. You forgot to tell them that.
That's your job.
Which we will be going to tomorrow. We're going to take a tour tomorrow, so I'm pretty excited about that.
But today a bike ride.
But today a bike ride. It's been thunderstorms and just crazy rain lately, and today we've got some little bit of clouds and some sun, so we're getting out.
So the chance of us getting wet is only 50%, so
We're gonna try it.
we're gonna do it. All right, let's go.
Let's get.
How you doing back there, baby?
I'm doing. This is beautiful. Going through all the trees, overgrown trees and stuff. It's pretty. Did you learn anything?
I'm always learning something. The problem is if I remember it.
So
Yeah.
what did you learn about the railroad, baby?
I learned in the mid 1800s they completed a railroad between Louisville and Nashville, and it comes by here not too far away, and they made a spur route off of that. That's 8.7 miles that comes up here, and apparently it was a pretty popular destination at $3 a ticket back then. So,
Back then in 1859, that was expensive.
it seems like a lot now,
Yeah, $3 a ticket?
but
I mean,
yeah,
how
that was
did they
probably
afford? So did they
pretty
sleep?
spendy.
Did they sleep on it, or was it just a
it doesn't
passenger?
say, but they had hotels up here at the time, or lodges, so maybe some of them stayed overnight. I don't know, but
But $3—that's expensive.
that seems like a lot back then.
Yeah.
But
Maybe it wasn't. I don't know, but it seemed like a lot.
maybe the $3 got them all the way from Nashville or Louisville all the way here.
Oh, okay. That
That-
makes more sense. Maybe a longer journey
Yeah.
than the 8.7 miles.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that makes sense.
Yeah.
We'll go with that.
Oh my. These stairs are.
Those are the old stairs she's talking about from the 30s or something. completed a 2.5-hour tour of the Mammoth Caves at Mammoth Cave National Park, and it was amazing.
Yes. Now we know why it's called Mammoth Cave, because they are mammoth.
Huge.
There is 412, right? 412 miles of caves here.
That are recorded, yeah.
That are recorded. And they're still, you know, finding more and more as it goes.
That's all attached to the cave that's right underneath us.
Yeah, they're all attached. She described it as like a sponge, and it's got holes everywhere, little pathways.
Yeah, we went 300 feet below the Earth's crust.
350.
Oh, 350.
350 below, yeah.
It was amazing. I don't know how much footage we got because
it was dark.
Pretty dark. They didn't give a lot of lighting. There was a couple places that had some lighting. Most of it was really dim, but huge caves. And then we went into some really narrow little caves. And
yeah, it was called Fat Man's Misery, and they were narrow. And you had to like go sideways and wiggle your way through it, but that was really cool. And then you had to duck down, like bend at the waist, and go through these caves. So it was pretty cool. There was a lot of stairs, so just FYI, kind of uneven ground, so just take that into consideration. The cave is a constant 54 degrees. I didn't wear a sweatshirt, so I was fine, but we took sweatshirts just in case.
I wore mine.
Yeah, but other than that, it was really cool. We took the extended historic Mammoth Cave tour, so it was the longest tour that they offer.
Yeah, it was awesome. Tons of history.
The park is in Park City,
Kentucky.
So if you're ever near Bowling Green or Park City, Louisville is like an hour and a half away, I think, ish. So if you're ever in the area, come to Mammoth Caves National Park.
Definitely. All right, we're headed over to the putt-putt course because I finally won one. One more game. If I win, I tie it up anyway.
So when we were in Houston, we played 2 games and I won both of them.
She destroyed me.
And so we played a couple nights ago and he won barely. It came down to the last hole. So we're leaving tomorrow, so we have to play again. So cross your fingers that I win.
That ain't working very good.
Okay, so here at, where are we at? We are at Diamond Caverns RV Park, and they have horseshoes. If y'all know how to play horseshoes, I do not. There's the putt-putt. There's where Jeff is gonna lose. Cross my fingers. Who's Team Nema? Woo!
Good luck.
Who's Team Jeff?
We'll see.
They provide clubs here for you and balls right here. Here's all the clubs and the balls. Oh,
Come on.
I thought it was gonna hit this right here.
Right.
Oh,
dang. Oh, I did good anyway.
I'll take that though. Here I say.
Folks, you're sitting on a highly competitive field of miniature golfers. What's the current score, baby?
4-1. Jeff's winning. He's on fire tonight.
This is actually unusual for me. All right, this is for all the beans, but I've already won.
Yeah, I lost. 7-4. I'm not happy about it.
So this ties up our games anyway.
Yep, we're 2-2 now in mini golf.
That's 2 games on one course, 2 games on a new course. So we need to find a new course, decide the winner.
Maybe the next place we go has a course. We'll have to see. You got lucky again! How did you do that?
I have no idea. Let's see if you can do it today.
Nope.
No? Try again.
Oh!
I went through, but it came back. We'll count that one. What?
What you doing?
I am making ribs.
So what are we using here? Baby backs?
Baby backs, yes.
Yum, yum, yum. Okay.
So we're gonna cook enough for about.
A lot. It looks like we're
At
going to
least-
feed an army.
Yeah, so we're gonna cook a bunch, and then we'll eat some.
Put some
and
in the
put some in
freezer.
the freezer, and then.
Yum.
Yeah.
Okay, get to it.
Okay.
Stop talking to me. What's going on now?
Gotta put honey on them.
Yum. Woo!
Roll up that honey and dump it all over there.
You got that honey hot.
Yeah, I did. It's okay. And I'm gonna save a little bit for later, because I'm gonna rotate these again.
It smells so good in here. My mouth is watering right now.
Keep them nice and sealed up. Keep the moisture in there.